Our cat Ro here decided he was going to take Kaylee's chair. Look at the look on that cat's face. So, oh god, now he's attacking me. You can't have my chair too. What are you doing?
Are you hunting bugs, Kaylee? Grandma needs to change your diaper.
Look at that radiant little girl.
You want your nose sucked? What's that back?
Cracking the dimension.
Mine.
Psst.
She's trying to sneak up on you.
Hello, kitty. What are you going on about? You want the guitar? You can't have the guitar.
You got your chair, Ro.
Kaylee got the chair back. Ro, look who's in your chair.
Aw, you so beautiful.
Aww, precious.
Hello. Oh, she's playing right now, but because I got her medicated. Nowhere near as bad as Kaylee.
Good book bug.
I don't desperately need something. Out of my basket, Mom. Get on my
What do you do?
well, the Kevin's and Brian right now.
Oh, there you go. Oh, it's beautiful.
You got clothes to wear. There ain't no sense in you washing them out when you do.
Less than 3 minutes after I started recording, guess who's 40 butts back in the chair? Look at it. He's so content with himself. Like, that is mine and I deserve it.
"18-year-old cat fighting with a 2-year-old kid."
Old cat has learned a new trick. Steal things from the baby.